Men over 50 stop drinking plain water right now. That might sound ridiculous, but hear this carefully. If you're still filling your glass with nothing but plain water, you're missing one of the most powerful and natural ways to restore your energy, improve your blood flow, and bring back the kind of vitality and confidence you had years ago. For decades, we've all heard the same thing. Drink more water, it keeps you healthy. 8 glasses a day, every day, that's what they told us. But no one ever mentioned what happens when your body changes with age, when the very systems that control your circulation and stamina begin to slow down. After 50, your body isn't the same as it was at 25. It doesn't respond to plain hydration the same way anymore. Here's what most men don't realize. Plain water hydrates, yes, but it doesn't activate anything. It doesn't tell your blood vessels to open up. It doesn't help your body produce the life-giving molecule that keeps everything working, nitric oxide. And without enough nitric oxide, your circulation drops, your energy fades, your stamina in the gym and even in the bedroom starts to disappear. The result? You drink all that water, yet still feel tired, still feel heavy, and still wonder why your body just isn't responding the way it used to. The truth is simple. After 50, your water needs an upgrade. Because what you add to it can completely change how you feel, how you perform, and how confidently you move through your day. Let's get honest for a moment. You probably drink enough water, try to eat okay, maybe even walk or hit the gym when you can. But lately, something just feels off. You wake up tired even after a full night's sleep. You move slower. You feel heavy. Your energy crashes halfway through the day, and no matter how much coffee or water you drink, it barely helps. It's not your fault. What's happening is something almost no one talks about, especially to men after 50. It's called a nitric oxide decline, and it starts hitting your body around your late 40s, getting worse every year after that. Nitric oxide is the invisible messenger that tells your blood vessels to relax and expand, allowing oxygen and nutrients to move freely through your entire body. It's what keeps your brain sharp, your muscles strong, and yes, your performance powerful. But by age 50, your natural nitric oxide levels can drop by half or more. That means your blood flow weakens, your heart works harder, and your cells start running on low oxygen like an engine running on half fuel. That's why men start noticing things like cold hands and feet, slower recovery, muscle loss, and even the fading drive that used to come so naturally. And here's the part no one tells you. No amount of plain water can fix this. You can drink gallons a day, but unless your body has what it needs to produce nitric oxide, you're still running on empty. The good news? You can flip that switch back on naturally. And it all starts with what you add to your water. So let's break this down simply because this is where everything starts to make sense. When you were younger, your body naturally produced plenty of nitric oxide, a tiny gas molecule that keeps your entire system running smoothly. Every time your heart beats, nitric oxide tells your blood vessels to open up, allowing oxygen, nutrients, and energy to reach every part of your body, your muscles, brain, and even vital areas that depend on healthy circulation. But here's the catch. As you age, the cells that make nitric oxide, called endothelial cells, begin to weaken. By 50, many men are running at only half capacity. And when those nitric oxide levels drop, your blood flow slows down like a hose that's being pinched. Less oxygen gets to your brain, you feel foggy. Less reaches your muscles, you feel weak and tired. Less flows to your heart and other organs, you start to feel older, even though you're not done living yet. Now, here's the shocking part. Plain water doesn't stimulate nitric oxide production at all. It hydrates your cells, sure, but it doesn't activate circulation. That's why so many men drink water all day and still feel exhausted, sluggish, or heavy. Your body needs the raw materials, the natural compounds that trigger nitric oxide to come back online. These compounds are found in specific fruits, roots, and plant extracts. And when you add them to your water, something incredible happens. Your blood vessels begin to open, your oxygen delivery improves, and within days, you can literally feel the difference in your energy, clarity, and endurance. So, how do you actually fix this? How do you turn the switch back on and get that youthful blood flow, energy, and drive again without pills, stimulants, or endless fatigue? It's simpler than most people think. You just need to give your body the natural fuel it used to make on its own, the raw materials that trigger nitric oxide production. And the best way to do that is by upgrading your water. Start with beetroot. It's one of nature's richest sources of natural nitrates compounds that your body converts directly into nitric oxide. When you drink beet-infused water in the morning, it signals your blood vessels to expand, improving circulation and oxygen flow almost immediately. Then there's pomegranate. It doesn't just taste incredible, it also protects your nitric oxide from breaking down too fast. Think of it as a shield that keeps your blood vessels flexible and strong. Add L-citrulline or L-arginine, 2 amino acids that help your body produce nitric oxide more efficiently, especially for men over 50 whose systems naturally slow down. And finally, pine bark extract, a powerful antioxidant that works hand in hand with nitric oxide, keeping your arteries clean and your circulation youthful. When you combine these in your water daily, something amazing happens. Your energy rises, your brain clears up, your muscles feel alive again, and even your confidence begins to come back. It's not magic, it's simple biology. You're just restoring what time has taken away. Now, once you've got your base beetroot, pomegranate, and L-citrulline, you can supercharge it even further with a few natural boosters that turn your daily drink into something extraordinary. Let's start with greens. Most men over 50 aren't getting enough chlorophyll-rich greens like spinach, kale, or wheatgrass that help detox the blood and improve oxygen delivery. When you add a greens powder or extract to your drink, you're not just hydrating. You're giving your cells the minerals and alkalinity they need to keep nitric oxide levels stable all day long. Next, ginger. This isn't just a spice, it's a circulation amplifier. Ginger naturally thins the blood slightly, helping it move more freely while reducing inflammation that can stiffen your arteries. Just a pinch of ginger powder or a few drops of extract in your water can make a visible difference in how awake and focused you feel. Then there's hibiscus. This bright red flower has been used for centuries to support healthy blood pressure and vessel flexibility. It works synergistically with beets and pomegranate, enhancing nitric oxide release while giving your drink a clean, tart taste that feels refreshing instead of sugary. And finally, cocoa. Real, dark cocoa, not the sweet kind, is loaded with flavonols that strengthen arteries, boost nitric oxide, and even enhance mood. Put it all together, and your morning water becomes a true circulation elixir. You'll feel the warmth in your hands, the alertness in your mind, and the drive returning in your body, because your system is finally getting what it's been missing for years. Here's the beautiful part. Once your nitric oxide levels start to rise again, you don't just notice it, you feel it. It's not like caffeine or a quick sugar buzz. It's deeper, calmer, stronger. It's the quiet feeling of power coming back into your body. You wake up clearer. That morning, heaviness starts to fade. Your hands and feet aren't freezing anymore. When you walk, climb stairs, or work out your muscles, feel like they're finally getting oxygen again. You move smoother. You recover faster. You breathe easier. Even your mood changes because better blood flow means better oxygen to your brain. Men often say they start feeling sharper, lighter, and more focused. That constant fatigue, that mental fog that made everything feel like a chore, it begins to lift. And here's something most men don't expect. As your circulation improves, your confidence improves too. Because when your body starts performing again, in every way you carry yourself differently. You stand taller, speak with more presence, and feel that natural drive that once came effortlessly. Your workouts hit harder, your sleep gets deeper, your daily energy feels steady, not up and down like before. This isn't about chasing youth, it's about restoring function. Because when your blood moves, your life moves. And the truth is, vitality isn't lost with age, it's just waiting to be reactivated. A few simple changes in your daily drink can give your body back what time has slowly drained, and the difference can be life-changing. Now, before you rush out and grab the first nitric oxide booster or beet powder, you slow down for a second. Because this part matters just as much as everything you've heard so far. Not all supplements are created equal. In fact, most of what's on the market today is either underdosed, overly processed, or completely synthetic. You've got flashy labels, miracle claims, and cheap ingredients made in bulk overseas that lose most of their natural potency before they ever reach your glass. Here's the problem when ingredients are sprayed with chemicals, stripped of minerals, or loaded with artificial flavorings. They don't support nitric oxide. They actually stress your body even more. That's why some men try a product, feel nothing, and assume it doesn't work. But when you choose pure, plant-based ingredients, real beetroot, organic pomegranate, clean amino acids, and tested extracts, your body recognizes it immediately. You'll notice better absorption, cleaner energy, and no crashes or jitters. And purity isn't just about results, it's about safety. Men over 50 already deal with slower metabolism and more sensitivity to toxins, so avoiding fillers, preservatives, and heavy metals is critical. Always look for ingredients sourced from trusted farms, third-party tested for purity, and free from artificial sweeteners or color dyes. Because the goal here isn't to add another supplement to your shelf, it's to restore your body's natural power safely, effectively, and permanently. Remember, the best results don't come from hype. They come from honesty, consistency, and quality. Let's be real, most men don't lose their strength or drive because of age. They lose it because no one ever told them what was really happening inside their body. They were told to drink more water, eat a little better, and accept that slowing down is just part of getting older. But now you know the truth, your body isn't broken. It's just waiting for the signal to turn back on. And that signal is circulation, nitric oxide, life itself moving freely again through every cell. So here's the challenge. Tomorrow morning, don't just reach for plain water, upgrade it. Add something that feeds your blood flow. Something that activates you from the inside out. It can be beets, pomegranate, greens, ginger, whatever you choose. Start somewhere, because one small habit can flip your entire system back to life. Do it for your energy. Do it for the way you move, the way you think, the way you feel in your own skin. And most of all, do it because you're not done yet. You've got more to live for, more to give, and more power left inside you than you realize. So stop settling for decline. Start reclaiming what time tried to take away. Stay strong, stay sharp, stay hydrated, but never with plain water again.